Ayan guys. Kikita ninyo. Meron pong mga nakulong dito na pati ibang lahi. Ayan po. Ayan. During the COVID. Kasi itong school namin ay international school. Ayan po si Mario. Mario! Mario Palito! Hindi na narinig eh. Mario Palito! Dito, dito. Mario Palito! Palito! Pusparo! Mario Palito! Mario Palito Pusparo! Hey! Hey, there's somebody here! Yo! Hey, I give you bread because I found you hardworking. Yes, so you can have something to eat now. You're working very early. That's Mario. Hello, Mario. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're very welcome. I said I will bring the bread and I will give to someone who need it.
Wow.
This morning and I found you. That is Mario. Very masipag yan, masipag.